The Indian Railways is witnessing a monumental rail revolution. Train collision avoidance system, also known as kavach, is an indigenously developed automatic train protection system under the aegis of RDSO. Kavach is designed to provide protection to trains against signal passing at danger, excessive speed, and train collisions caused due to human error. Kavach serves as a major testament to ambitious plans of Indian Railways to ensure safety in train operations over high-speed and high-density network. Kavach is designed to assist loco pilots with display of crucial information pertaining to approaching signal aspects in the loco through driver-machine interface, DMI. Kavach will alert the loco pilots to reduce speed proportionately in accordance with restrictive signal aspect approaching ahead. In case the loco pilot still fails to respond appropriately, Kavach takes over and automatically applies brake in a phased manner until the speed of the train is restricted in order to ensure zero chances of signal passing at danger. This is especially helpful during extreme weather conditions where the loco pilots are unable to sight the signal aspects. Kavach is a comprehensive automatic train protection system, works on the principle of continuous update of movement authority, which is featured in advanced train protection systems used across the world. The Station Kavach unit computes the movement authority based on approaching signal aspects and location of the train. Kavach works by constantly sharing information within the three major subsystems such as Station Kavach, Loco Kavach, and on-track equipment RFID tags. RFID tags are installed on the track at every 1 kilometer in the block section, at approach of signals, and at every berthing track. The static information such as location information, track identity of the RFID tags mounted on the rail sleepers are captured via RFID readers attached to the loco. The same is transmitted to Station Kavach via radio communication from Loco Kavach. The Station Kavach gains information regarding the location and direction of the train entering in its jurisdiction from Loco Kavach. The Station Kavach unit is interfaced with the station signal interlocking system and continuously acquires the vital signal information. The Station Kavach will update the loco pilot about the approaching signal ahead and permitted speeds through driver-machine interface DMI of Loco Kavach. DMI displays target speed, movement authority, signal aspect, location of the train, and also allows the loco pilot to send SOS messages during emergencies. In order to transmit data in a fast and secured way, the information from Station Kavach is transmitted to several Loco Kavach through station radio antenna mounted on the tower. Every station, mid-section interlock level crossing gate and IB hut are provided with a tower of 40 meters height. This enables transmission and reception of radio signals within the range of 4.5 kilometers, thereby ensuring maximum coverage. Kavach ensures that only authenticated systems will be able to access information shared. This is made possible with radio encryption by using Key Management System (KMS). The system information is exchanged via secret keys, duly ensuring maximum security. Network Monitoring System helps in troubleshooting of errors through real-time monitoring via a central server located at the divisional office, which is connected to all the stations with OFC network. All the events of Station Kavach and Loco Kavach are being monitored continuously via NMS for predictive and preventive maintenance. Kavach is an indigenously developed state-of-the-art technology to ensure higher standards of safety in train operations. in case loco pilot fails to control the speed of the train while approaching the danger aspect of the signal. Kavach will take over automatically and apply brakes to stop before the red signal. In the absence of kavach, the SPAD may lead to collision. Kavach is designed to avoid collisions in the block section due to human errors during manual train operations in case of failure of signal interlocking systems. In an unusual scenario where two trains are approaching each other in opposite direction on the same line, loco kavach of both the trains automatically apply brakes to bring the trains to a stop. In the absence of kavach, this scenario may result in head-on or rear-end collision. While negotiating the crossovers at station to enter loop line, loco pilot shall adhere to restricted speed of 15 km per hour or 30 km per hour. Kavach informs the target speed to be followed by the loco pilot before approaching loop lines. In case of excessive speed above the target speed, kavach automatically brings down the speed to the required speed by duly actuating the brake system, thereby avoiding chances of derailment. Loco pilot has to adhere to the permanent speed restrictions imposed in the section. These permanent speed restrictions exist at locations like bridges, sharp curves, etc. In case of the failure of loco pilot to control the speed of the train while approaching permanent speed restriction zones, kavach takes over and reduces the speed to desirable limits to avoid any unusual incidences. The station master can alert the locos by broadcasting SOS messages during emergency situations like flooding of tracks, landslides, etc. within its communication range. Similarly, loco pilot can send SOS messages to station kavach and other loco kavach in case of emergencies or unusual occurrences. The loco horn is automatically triggered while approaching the level crossing gate to alert the road vehicle users. RDSO has developed kavach by collaborating with 3 Indian firms, duly ensuring the interoperability among them. The loco kavach of one make is interoperable with station kavach and trackside equipment of another make and vice versa for seamless train operations. Indian Railways takes pride in developing the indigenously developed technology in collaboration with the Indian firms to fulfill the Make in India mission of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Indian Railways' ambitious plan to implement train collision avoidance system, kavach, over its network is a stepping stone in building Atmanirbhar Bharat.